Hey everyone, this is Vishal here. So we, as a Java developer, not necessarily you have to be a Java developer, but you might have thought like, hey, what other programs are there that might actually perform better than what I'm using, or should I stick with what I do? Different use cases are there, but for this demo, I'm gonna use a simple Hello World program, one in Java, and then the next one will be in Rust. So we'll compare the performance at runtime, not at compile time. We'll use that for some time, some other videos. And I thought it would be fun to uh, see which one runs faster, given in my laptop, right? So my machine, I think it runs on Core i7 with 10 cores. And also to note that this, you cannot say this is a benchmark for which application runs faster. But yeah, I think we should give it a try and see how it goes. Actually, let's see who wins the race. Will it be Rust or will it be Java? Okay, we're ready. Let's see. Yeah, you can tell with the video. I'm not like a professional YouTuber, so bear with me for a second. Okay, alrighty, there you go. Okay, so for Java, I'm gonna use IntelliJ. That's the good old main method, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the java.lang package, but we'll calculate this in nano time. We will capture the start time and also will capture the end time. But in between, we'll add a hello world and also print out how long it took to run the hello world. This is for the Java side. Now for the Rust, I don't think IntelliJ has a great support, or maybe not the support at all. Um, Also, make sure to use the latest one. The Rust rover for the latest one to use. Rust seems pretty good actually. So, but anyway, I'm using Rust rover for uh, for for the for the coding part of for Rust here. So, um, same concept, kind of. But for Java, we are using static void main. Here we're just going to use this as a function main, and yeah, we're going to use an instant, and this now is actually same thing as the nanosecond that we are using for Java. Let me kind of maximize this. Yeah, so this is we're gonna start before this is executed or print out, and we'll also calculate how long it took to go from here, execute this, even execute this, and then print out. And for the Rust, yeah, so this will be nanoseconds. Let's see what else. So now print sys out print line, same as same kind of equivalence to Java Hello World, and we will capture how long it took to print the Hello World in our console. All right, so let's start with Java, and for the graph, like kind of demo, I chose the this is a very good website actually. I recommend everyone to try this. It's charts.livecap.com, and they do really have some uh free what do you call free way to demo your data actually. Okay, so let's start with Java first. Okay, let's go and run this Java here. Okay, it took. Uh, okay, let me write that down. So it took 20. Let's see, 263,000 nanoseconds. Let's put this in here. Let me run this um, one more time. I'm doing a Java now. So the second run took um, this many nanoseconds. Let's do the third one. Okay. Let's do the fifth one. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm copying the time it took to run the hello world in Java. I will maybe run like 7 times. Uh, and I get a graph out of it actually. So let's do this. And once again, right, this does not give you like a benchmark on which one is fast. But one thing I can tell is it kind of gives you a general idea of which will run faster in a developer's machine. And it might behave totally different when it's running on some Linux machine or some form of instances on some cloud somewhere. All right, so these are the data for Java side in nanoseconds. All right, now switching to Rust. So we will instantiate and then we'll just print out hello world and then calculate the difference and then print it out on the console. Okay, so now starting with Rust. Okay, so 1220,000 nanoseconds. Okay. Uh, so far Rust is pretty good based on the numbers here. Okay, this is a strong third time. 12. Oops, what's going on here? All right, I think I copied it this time. Okay. Okay. Looks like Rust might actually take the lead, no matter how much I love Java, but let's see. Um, and one thing is very weird, right? The more you run these Hello World, in some instances the count is kind of higher. Um, that's something to dig deep into to understand why. But for the demo, for this small fun video, we just want to see which one runs faster. Okay, and let's do this the final one. Alrighty, so if you look at this, right, the green one is Rust, and the blue one is Java, and the time would took they kind of, oh wow, this is cool. So fourth time they were kind of similar. But if you look closely, then this is only seventh run, right? Somehow, for Java, it at one point it went over like 1 million actually. Maybe it was maybe something to do with the JVM side of things, that was like clearing things and all. Rust does not have the JVM concept, right? So it's native to machine, is what I understand. But here you go. Like obviously, Rust performs pretty well, actually. Um, yeah, there you have it. Um, you know, regardless, as long as any problem you have is fixed by Java or Rust, that's all we care, right? As a developer, and as anything, any problem you are solving helps people around you, and hey, that wins actually for me. But if we were to go by the numbers, definitely Rust takes the win here. All right, everyone. So thank you for staying all the way to the end of this video. Um, I will try to bring the next epic battle on Java versus Rust on a different topic. All right. Thank you.